Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to add payment methods on your PlayStation account from the PlayStation app. So at first, just open your phone and then open your PlayStation app. And as you open your PlayStation app, you're in this home page. So just stay at the home page and go down and select the PS Store from here. And as you select the PS Store, look at the right top corner for the three bars, and as you see it, just press it. And as you press it, you can see the options right here and go in the option payment methods. So just press it to view the page. It takes a while to load and also depends on your Wi-Fi speed. And as it loads, you can see the option right here, add payment method, and just press it to view the page. So guys, all you have to do is just add your debit or the credit card and just enjoy the game. So guys, that's how you add a payment method on your PlayStation account from the PlayStation app. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.